Join me as I take on the challenge of running a faceless YouTube channel for 14 whole days. Can I keep it going without showing my face? Running a faceless YouTube channel is a concept that's always fascinated me. I mean, can you really build a community and create engaging content without ever showing your face? It's a challenge that many creators have taken on, but I wanted to see if I could do it for myself. So I decided to take the plunge and run a faceless channel for 14 days. No personal connections, no vlogs, no unnecessary chatter, just pure unadulterated content. When I first started, I was really struggling to come up with content ideas. I mean, without a face, you can't do vlogs or react to things, so what do? I found myself scrolling through social media, trying to find inspiration, but it wasn't coming easily. I was worried that I wouldn't be able to keep up the momentum, that I'd run out of ideas and just fizzle out. It was a real concern for me because I knew that if I didn't have engaging content, I wouldn't be able to attract and retain viewers. Another major hurdle I faced was the lack of personal connection with my audience. As a faceless creator, you can't really build rapport with your viewers through personal anecdotes or behind-the-scenes stories. You have to rely solely on your content to speak for itself, and that's a tough sell. I was worried that people would just tune out, that they wouldn't be able to connect with me or my channel on a deeper level. On top of that, I was worried about how I would be perceived as a faceless creator. Would people think I was lazy or not confident enough in my appearance? Would they even care about what I had to say if they couldn't put a face to the name? All these doubts were swirling around in my head, making it hard for me to focus on the task at hand. But I didn't give up. I started researching trends and finding ways to make my content more engaging. I created scripts that were informative yet entertaining and optimized my video production to make it more professional. I learned to focus on the quality of my content rather than the lack of personal connection. And you know what? It started to pay off. As the days went by, I started to notice some significant engagement on my channel. People were starting to comment, like, and subscribe. It was amazing. But the moment that really stood out to me was when I saw a comment from someone saying that my channel had helped them with a particular problem they were facing. It was a light bulb moment for me. I realized that I didn't need to show my face to make a difference in people's lives. This experience taught me so many valuable lessons. I learned that with perseverance and dedication, you can overcome even the toughest challenges. I learned that content truly is king, and that if you focus on quality, people will respond. And most importantly, I learned that being faceless doesn't mean being impersonal. You can still build a community and make a connection with your audience, even without showing your face. So, what did I take away from this experience? Well, for one, I gained a new appreciation for the power of content. I realized that it's not about who you are, but what you can offer to others. And two, I learned that being faceless doesn't mean being anonymous. You can still build a brand and make a name for yourself, even without showing your face. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're a creator, I'd love to hear your thoughts on faceless channels. Do you think they're the future of content creation or a passing fad? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out my other content and hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one.